Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Doogee X95 to an Android device. First of all, go into Play Store on both and get completely free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both smartphones. First of all, tap on I agree. Then click on Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then close it by tapping on OK. After that, choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Doogee. Then click on Receive at the bottom next to Send on an Android. Also on an Android, click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to the Doogee smartphone. On it, you need to select all of those categories at the top. When you choose your category, tap on those type of dots to select all of your files from it. You can also just click on the chosen ones, like this photo. When you finished, click on Send next to Selected. Click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you wish to use this QR code, click on this scanning icon above User Guide on an Android. Then allow camera access by selecting while using the app or only this time in the pop-up. Last but not least, point your device's camera at the code and wait. If you wish to input this code though, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. We have a lot of time to do it. In order to connect using this method, you need to tap on Receive button. So when I click on it, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!